Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this sort of scrolling one-page product funnel type page, and we scroll down at the bottom. In the last one we sorted out the menu and the buttons to take you to various different sections. In this one today, when you first install the Divi theme, it comes with a widget area at the bottom here. We really don't need this for what we're doing today. You can use it if you want to. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of it, and I guess I'll show you how to use it as well, just in case you want to use yours. So let's go to our dashboard. Let's go down to Appearance and Widgets. Now here's our footer area, 1, 2 and 3 here, and you've got 4, 5 and 6 if you want to use them. And if we look in the first one, it's got archives, categories and metadata, which is what you're seeing here. Archives, meta and categories right there. If you do decide you want to use it, you can add things that just open up the area you want to add them to. For instance, you can put a cart in there, or categories, a calendar, whatever you want, just to show you what's going on. I'll put a calendar in there, give it a title. So now you've got your calendar in there. Let's go to footer number 3 and let's add an image to that. There's an image widget. I'll just call it image, add an image. Really doesn't matter what we put in here. And you can continue on. If you want to add something to the 4th area, you can add a cart or something like that. Simply drop it in there just like that. Now once everything's saved, you don't have a button to save anything. You simply go back to your site, refresh the page. And once it's refreshed, simply go down to the bottom. And there it is. There's the calendar, there's a little image, and there's the cart. Looks like I've got one thing in the cart, and you can actually check out from the bottom there. So if you want to use it, that's how to do it. But today I'm not going to use it, so let's get rid of it. And that could be easier either. Simply go in there and just delete any widgets that are in there. Delete. 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 And to delete it, if you can't see it there, just hit the little drop down arrow on the right. Delete. Delete. And this should be the last one. Now you don't need to save anything, because once they're gone, they're gone. The sidebar at the top, this is a generic one for blog posts and what have you. We're not displaying that on the page, so it doesn't make any difference. Once they're all gone, simply go back to the site and refresh. Go back down, and as you can see, the whole thing's disappeared. We're just left with this default footer right here. So that's how to remove the widget area, use or remove the widget area in the Divi theme. This right here, in the next video, what we'll do is we'll put a custom footer in. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.